Begin your AI journey.
Artificial intelligence can feel overwhelming to beginners, but with the right roadmap, anyone can start learning. This guide breaks down the essential topics and steps, giving you confidence as you build the foundations needed for a successful AI journey. Whether you want to work in tech or simply understand AI, every step here is accessible, practical, and designed for true beginners.
Start with the basics, math and Python.
AI relies on core skills like mathematics and programming. Begin with basic algebra and probability, then move to introductory Python, a widely used language in AI. Free platforms like Khan Academy and Codecademy offer beginner-friendly lessons. Mastering these basics will prepare you for more complex concepts and hands-on projects as you progress.
Understand computer science fundamentals.
A solid understanding of computer science is essential for AI. Learn about algorithms, data structures, and problem-solving techniques. Resources like free online courses from universities or platforms such as Coursera help demystify these topics. Exploring how data is stored, organized, and analyzed lays a strong foundation for anything you build later in AI.
Explore core AI concepts and machine learning.
With the basics in place, dive into introductory AI and machine learning concepts. Learn about supervised and unsupervised learning, neural networks, and basic data science techniques. Try entry-level courses like the Machine Learning Crash Course by Google or Fast AI's Beginner Lessons. As you learn, experiment with simple code examples and datasets to reinforce your understanding.
Expand with projects and communities.
Hands-on projects and a supportive community accelerate your growth. Build simple AI models like image classifiers or chatbots using libraries such as Scikit-learn or TensorFlow. Participate in online forums, join study groups, or enter beginner-focused AI competitions. Real projects and collaboration help turn theoretical knowledge into practical AI skills.
Keep learning, advance topics and resources.
AI is a rapidly evolving field, so lifelong learning is key. After mastering the fundamentals and basic projects, explore deeper areas: deep learning, natural language processing, or reinforcement learning. Follow trusted blogs, podcasts, and new courses. Regularly update your knowledge to stay current and keep your AI skills sharp.